CEO looking for something, and they got to know about Odoo from their friend.
Okay.
They also have a good review about Odoo. Our main business is in US.
Correct.
So our focus mainly on US accounting. So in the newer version, we got to know Odoo has OCR system. Almost every options what we needed, it is there currently.
Right. Hello, we have Mr. Ashwath with us, Finance Manager from Why Not Designs and Manufacturer. Hello, Mr. Ashwath.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yeah, doing good.
How is the vibe of Odoo Community Days today?
Yeah, it's good.
Right. So, to start with, can you please brief about your organizations, your background accordingly?
So, I'm Ashwath, and working as a finance head from last 3 years in Why Not. So, Why Not is a company, US-based company, and they do manufacturing of a customized product.
Okay.
So, if anyone asks for anything, we'll do with their requirements. So,
Okay.
like from a needle to anything, whatever you ask.
Okay.
We'll do it.
Okay. So, right from the smallest thing to anything you can imagine about. Oh, that's great. That's great. So, can you please let me know that how did you find out about Odoo?
So, earlier days we used to do our entire business in a different systems.
Okay.
Like we had a Red Booth in one side, and for accounting there's one more QuickBooks.
Correct.
And for Indian accounting we had a Tally.
Right.
So the entire process will be different. So
Correct.
one person has to look for something, and another person another section. So no need, he won't get the exact data.
Absolutely.
That's why when our CFO and our CEO looking for something, and they got to know about Odoo from one of their friend.
Okay.
So from there we started looking for Odoo.
Right. So how was your journey basically when you talk about Odoo? Right from starting knowing about the product, making your requirements clear with our team?
Yeah, earlier days when we started implementing, it was a bit difficult to understand the Odoo and make our process. It will be a bit task.
Correct. Correct.
So later, once we started everything, everything going well. Now it is almost stabilized, and currently we are planning for upgradation. So our upgradation is going on.
Oh, that's
so
great.
Almost a testing part is going on for 17.
Okay. So I just wanted to know that as you said that you are also upgrading, I'm sure that your business is also gradually expanding day by day in this competitive world. So may I know what is your future goal accordingly?
So main focus is for data management.
Correct.
So, in Odoo, currently what the current version will have some more manual work.
Right.
For upgradation, what we are looking for automation.
Okay.
So like customer orders. So they will send us the POs, purchase orders through PDF format.
Correct. That's true.
Yeah. So in the newer version, we got to know Odoo has OCR system.
Yes, correct.
So all those things will make our business.
Correct. And it will speed up your entire process as well. Less manual efforts will be there.
And also the errors.
Correct. Absolutely. Whenever we talk about manual efforts, there are some or the other way you find errors accordingly. And then you invest your time in also, redefining entire process accordingly.
And also the communication between customer or a vendor.
So in this entire journey, can you please explain me how Odoo has been helpful to you during the entire process of implementation?
Yeah, it is good. So internally we'll get some thoughts.
Correct.
So if we have this report or if we have these features, so we'll discuss how to do it in our, and we'll go for some tutorials in Odoo
Right.
website or the YouTube channels. So if we didn't get the solution, even if we get the solution, we don't know how to implement.
Exactly.
So
Correct.
we'll contact Hina or Manthan.
Okay.
So they used to help us.
Okay. So I guess that our Odoo saviors are always there to assist
Yeah,
you in every now and
Yeah.
then move. Great. So I just wanted to know that whenever you talk about the implementation, you talk about the support, how much rating you would like to give, right from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest?
Yeah, I give 9.
Okay. And so in near future, what can we do to get 10 out of 10 rating from your end?
So why I'm not giving it is because the what I feel is if I give a whole number,
Correct.
the confidence level will get increases.
Absolutely.
Like that is one side, it is good, but it should not go for overconfidence.
Correct. Absolutely.
That's why I'm just
Absolutely.
giving a 9.
No. I actually appreciate this honest review from your end. So let's say that Odoo is, just like your organization, Odoo is also developing its requirement. It's making continuous changes as per Indian standards as well. So what changes you want specifically for your organization or basically for your need as well?
So for us, our main business is in US.
Correct.
So our focus mainly on US accounting. India we do, but almost every options what we needed, it is there currently.
Right.
So we no need of major upgradation in Indian accounting side.
Okay.
But for US accounting, we need a lot of changes.
Correct.
Maybe if I take a US subscription, there may be chances.
Possibly. We have to always check what suits our requirement best, right? Because ultimately our goal is to give you the exact solution what you're looking for.
But the thing is, the support what we are getting it in India,
Correct.
we don't know how it is in US.
Absolutely.
Maybe one of our friend of our CEO, they are also using Odoo.
Okay.
And recently we had a call with them.
Okay.
So they showed their Odoo system.
Right.
And they also have a good review about Odoo.
Correct.
So, but we are finding very friendly people in India.
Right.
So it is good to have everything set up in India itself.
Great. No, absolutely. Right. So, for an example, let's say that if someone is coming to you as well and asking for the recommendation, will you be able to give a good recommendation of Odoo?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Thank you so much. Ashwath ji.
Pleasure.
Pleasure.